Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture 101. I'm Anna.
I'm Alexis, and our topic today is human health biotechnology.
Human health biotechnology is using biotechnology to improve the health of people worldwide. Producing drugs, vaccines, and advanced therapies are all examples of human health biotech.
Our first story is about Ben Neely and his bottlenose dolphin research. Ben Neely from NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology, and his colleagues have studied everything known about the bottlenose dolphin. They have just finished creating a detailed index about proteins found in the bottlenose dolphin genome, the complete set of genetic material present in the organism. His project is built of years of marine mammal research. The result of his work will aid with wildlife biologists, veterinary professions, biomedical researchers.
This next article is about a disease called HCMV. It can cause people to have miscarriages and birth defects during pregnancy. It's very common. At least 30% are infected in the developed world and 100% can be infected in the developing world. If infected during pregnancy, it can lead to hearing loss and intellectual disabilities in unborn children. A molecule is discovered by scientists that is important to this infection. It's called BCP. Tests show that blocking this molecule with a chemical inhibitor in infected cells will stop the virus from spreading. The virus is dependent on BCP to multiply and replicate its genetic material. The study found that chemicals that target BCP is 10 times more powerful than trying to target HCMV itself. Drugs that target BCP are also being developed for potential therapies to cancer.
Let's go outside and check on Eric and Dom.
I'm Eric.
And I'm Dom.
I'm here to talk about synthetic human insulin and DNA gene therapy. Synthetic human insulin was the first product of biotechnology. It was launched in America in 1982. 170 biotechnology drugs got approved by the US FDA since then. 350 biotechnology medicines are still under development, which target 200 diseases. DNA technology is one of the major techniques of biotechnology, which is revolutionizing the vaccine development. DNA is low and it is easy at extracting it, and DNA remains effective at low temperatures. There is a drawback of DNA vaccines. They may trigger genes that make tumors. Gene therapy is a technique in which a mutant gene is replaced by a good one. There's two types, stem and germline. In stem patients, DNA is altered in the stem cell. The change becomes hereditary. Though this is useful, it's very complex because it cannot take place until the patient's whole biology is known. Germline, the DNA is changed in the germline.
Stay tuned to Agriculture 101. We'll be back after this short break.
Remember the fun your children had while playing and dreaming about being grown up and having a job? With the help of Northwest Iowa Community College, they can go from just pretending to the career of their dreams. They can meet the demand for skilled lab technicians with NCC's biotechnology program, a lab career directed at research and development or the production of ethanol and biorenewable fuels is only 2 years away. NCC has the blueprints for their dreams. At NCC, there's a place for you.
Welcome back to Agriculture 101. Our final story is about how humans and moths have common traits. The scientists are trying to prove that what will happen to the moths if they transfer human genes into the moths. They are trying to get the moths to be able to adapt to different things that humans can. Moths did live in water about 450 million years ago. The moths later adapted to living on land. The school has put in a lot of money to be able to have them undergo this study. After about 2 years of study, the scientists have found out that humans and moths have unexpected common traits.
Let's go back inside to Alexis.
Here's a special thanks from our sponsors.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture 101. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alexis. Our topic today is human health biotechnology.
Oh, shoot! Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture 101. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alexis. Oh my God. Our topic today.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture 101. I'm Anna.
And I'm Alexis, our human.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture.
Are you going?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Agriculture 101. Good afternoon, everyone.